ẹ̀yin ọmọ nàìjíríà tẹ́ láǹfààní àti máa gbọ́ wa wò wá káàkiri àgbáńlá ayé. Èèmọ̀ lukutu pẹ́bẹ́ kan tún rèé. Ọ̀dọ́mọdékùnrin tí ẹ̀ ń wò lójú móhùnmáwòrán yìí, a fọ̀rọ̀ jomi tó rọrọ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. Yóò ṣàlàyé àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó pọ̀ fún wa tá a gbọ́, tá a kọ́gbọ́n ńbẹ̀, tá a kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ńbẹ̀, tẹ́wàá rí wípé lóòótọ́ ni burúkú ń bẹ nílé ayé, ìkàlàwà èèyàn ayé tó tó fún un. Ọmọkùnrin kékeré ọmọkùnrin yìí yóò ṣàlàyé bó ti gbẹ̀mí ìyá kan, yóò sọ ọkọ ìyá òun kí ló fà á tó fi pa ìyá ẹni ọdún mọ́kànléláàádọ́rin 71 years kọ́ òun ní àdúgbò kan tí wọ́n ń pè ní ìjú ìṣàgá. Látàrí kíni, kí ló fà á? Èyí tá a gbọ́ tá a sì fìdí ẹ̀ múlẹ̀ díẹ̀díẹ̀ kó tó di pé ọ̀dọ́mọkùnrin yóò bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣàlàyé bí ó ti rin gbogbo ìrìn yìí náà ni wípé màmá yìí wọ́n gba ọmọ yìí wọ́n gbà á tọ́ ni láti bí ọmọ ọdún kan, jọ ń pé màmá yìí bẹ lọ́hùn ọmọ pọ̀ díẹ̀. A sì tún gbọ́ wípé màmá yìí kìí ṣe pé wọ́n kúkú yàgàn pátápátá tó bẹ́ẹ̀. Wọ́n ní màmá yìí ti bí ọmọ kan tó yẹ pé ọmọ òun ò sí láyé mọ́, kí wọ́n tó rò pé kí àwọn tẹ̀ gba ọmọ kan kí àwọn gbà á tọ́, tí Ọlọ́run bá ṣe tó jẹ́ ọmọ dáadáa, tí àwọn bá gbìyànjú táwọn bá sa gbogbo ipá àwọn, ọmọ yìí yóò padà wúlò fún àwọn lẹ́yìn wá ọ̀la, yóò sì wúlò fún ara rẹ̀ náà, yóò wúlò fún orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà lápapọ̀ lẹ́yìn wá ọ̀la. Kí ló wá fà á tí ọmọ yìí tó fi hurú wà bẹ́ẹ̀? Àdúrà tá a máa gbà gbogbo abiyamọ ayé ni wípé a ò ní fojú sunkún ọmọ, a ò sì ní dààmú ọmọ tí ó pa wá. Elédùà ò níyàn tì wá, gbogbo ẹni sì ń bẹ Ọlọ́run fún èso inú, fún ọmọ rere, ọmọ lálùbáríkà. Elédùà yóò yọ̀ǹda ẹ̀ fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin obìnrin. Torí bójú ọmọ bá pọ́n àgàn ó lè tọrọ àbíkú. Elédùà yóò yọ̀ǹda ọmọ rẹ̀, ọmọ lálùbáríkà fún gbogbo wa. Ihun tó wàá ṣẹlẹ̀ tó di pé ẹ lọ bá ń gbá ọmọ kan, ẹ bá ń wá ọmọ kan lọ kí n tẹ̀ fi máa ṣe ọmọ. Elédùà yóò nu omijé ojú gbogbo àgàn tí ń bẹ Ọlọ́run fún ọmọ, yóò nu omijé wọn nù. Ẹ gbọ́ ní tọmọ yìí, ẹ gbọ́ ní tí ó máa sọ. What is your name?
My name is Okogbe Imakris.
What do you say?
Okogbe Imakris.
Okogbe
Imakris.
Imakris. Yeah. Where are you living, you and your mommy?
We are living at Iju Ishaga, Kehinde Oladunni Street, Abekoko.
Kehinde Oladunni Street,
Abekoko.
Abekoko, Iju Ishaga in Ogun State.
Yes.
Yeah. How does everything happen? Why did you kill that woman? How old are you now?
I'm 14 years now.
14 years.
Yes.
Did you go to school?
Yes.
What class are you?
GS2.
GSS2.
Yes.
Which side is your school?
Delta State.
Delta State.
Yes.
You school in Delta State. Why you and mommy lives at Jushaga?
Yes.
Is it hostel?
Yes.
Okay, you attend a boarding school, abi?
Yes.
Who took you to Delta State?
It was my mommy.
Your mommy. Okay. So you do come home for holiday or whatever?
No. I stayed there.
You stay
Yes.
in Delta State?
Yes.
In the school hostel?
Yes.
And your mommy is living at where?
Iju Ishaga.
Ejo Ishaga?
Yes.
Okay. When did you come to know and realize that this woman is not your biological mother?
It was 2024 when I came back from school.
2024?
Yes. Last year.
Last year?
Yes.
Okay. What you said you are 14 years old now, Abi?
Yes.
And you have been with the woman for over 13 years now?
Yes.
Because I heard that you have been with the woman since when you are age 1, right?
Yes.
Okay. how did you come to know that this woman is not your biological mother, and what happened?
It was through my friend. I went to his house to go and play with his junior brother. So two of us were gisting. Then he told me that my mom was causing trouble in the community. I am causing people children, abusing them, and she is not my biological mother. So when I heard it, I went to go and meet her.
Who said so?
Benga.
Benga?
Yes.
How is Benga to you? Where did you know Benga?
His mother is my mommy's student.
Okay, Benga mommy is your mother
Student.
student.
Yes.
Okay, so that means your mommy taught Benga mother in school, Abby?
Yes.
Okay, I'm with you.
So when I heard it,
Straighten your head.
When I heard it, I went to our house. I then told my mom that, Mommy, I heard you were causing trouble in the community, and I heard you are not my biological mother. She then asked me who told me that. She said, I told her that it's Brother Benga. So two of us went there together. She then asked the boy.
Benga is your friend, Abby?
Yes.
How old is Benga?
I don't know his years, but he has finished SS3.
He has finished S3, so definitely he's older than you.
Yes.
Okay.
So me and my mom went there. Then we asked Benga, who is the biological mother of me? Then he said,
let us. I don't want you to rush. So when you tell your mommy that somebody said you are not my biological mother,
yes,
and she now asked you that who said so, you now told her that Benga said that you are not my biological mother.
Yes.
So she now said you should go there together, Abby, to Benga's house together, Abby.
Yes.
Okay, when you go to Benga's house together with your mommy, what now happened?
She then asked Benga that who is the biological mother of me. Then Benga said he doesn't know. He then asked who is the biological father. He said he doesn't know. My mom then asked, how did you know that I'm not the biological mother? He then said he saw her carrying me down from an orphanage home down to her house.
Then, Abby?
Yes. So after that day, on Tuesday, we went. She was
Tuesday, what date?
7th.
On the 7th. Tuesday,
Yes.
on the 7th of January. This 2025.
Yes.
Okay.
So she was cooking. Me, I'm the type, if I eat in the evening, I would like to wee on the bed.
You were?
I will wee on the bed if
Okay.
I eat in the evening.
Okay.
So I went to buy garri in the morning, sugar and groundnuts, while she was cooking rice. When she now saw me on the way, she said, why will you go and buy garri, sugar and groundnuts when I'm already cooking rice? I then told her that, Mommy, you know I'm the type that will wee on the bed if I eat evening food. So I prefer eating garri that morning, then eat the rice in the afternoon till the following day. So she then said, you know, you told me about my biological mother. I hope you have seen her. Then I told her no. She now said,
She asked you that, since you are looking for your biological mother now, have you seen one now? Have you seen your mother now? You now said no.
yes.
Okay.
She then said,
Maybe is it because maybe she has noticed something in you that what Benga told you that she's not the biological mother. Maybe she has seen it in you that you are reacting to what Benga said. Abi?
yes, because we are selling gas. So in the morning I will leave home. People will come and figure us. They will not see me at home. Sometimes I will carry the money and run away until when I finish spending it. Before I come back, I will now come and sell another gas.
And you have been doing this now since Benga told you?
No, since 11 years old.
And was what you said you are doing, that you will leave home, you carry your mommy money. Is it when Benga told you that she's not your biological mother that you started all that?
No, I started it since 11 years old.
It was when you were 11 years old?
Yes.
Okay.
So recently we started selling gas. So due to what Benga told me that she's not my biological mother, on 25th of December, I was supposed to be at home to sell gas, but I left home till on the 26th of December, and I came back to come and meet her. She now told me that she has lost market. Why would I leave home on a Christmas
You
day?
left home 26th of December.
25th.
25th.
Yes.
When did you not come back?
On the 26th.
Okay.
She then said, why will I leave home when it is Christmas day?
Where you are supposed to be in the shop selling gas.
Yes.
Okay.
That it was Christmas day. Why will I leave home? I then told her, Mom, I went to celebrate my own Christmas. Then she then said, I'm wicked. That why would I? She knows she's gaining money from this gas business, and I'm still leaving her alone at home. So on Tuesday, she now told me that, hope you remember you are still looking for your biological mother. I said yes. She then said, oh yeah, you have made me annoyed and your cup is full in this house. Leave this house. I don't want you again in this house. So she collected the garri, sugar and groundnuts and went to keep it. Then she told me to leave. I left the house. On Tuesday night, I was not at home because they were doing program in one CSC church. 31 days program. 31 days night prayer. 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. So I went to join them on Tuesday night. Wednesday evening, I came back home. Mommy, please, I'm sorry for what I did. I tried to beg her. She said no. She doesn't want me. I then told her that, Mommy, I'm sorry. If it's because of the biological mother, I'm sorry. She then said no, she doesn't want me. Then I allowed
Does
her
she have any other children?
No.
She doesn't have any other children?
Yes.
It's only you?
Yes.
Okay. Before her death, how old was she?
Before that day.
Before her death, how old was she?
71 years.
71 years.
Yes.
Okay, I'm with you. So you went to meet her in the church and you tried to say sorry to her, okay?
So when I begged her, she said no. I allowed her to go and sleep. Then I opened the cover of the tank. Let me take water from there to bathe.
Which tank?
Our small GP tank.
Overhead tank?
Yes.
Is it upstairs you are living?
It's not upstairs, it's 2-bedroom flat.
Is it that upstairs or flat or bungalow downstairs?
Bungalow, 2-bedroom bungalow flat.
Okay.
So the place, let me say, it's just like a security post, but she converted it into a shop.
Okay.
So she puts a tank on top the place.
Okay.
So that was where I went to open the small GP tank.
You climbed the GP tank?
The step case.
Okay.
So I went to take small water from there to bathe. Then I now threw the cover of the tank downstairs.
Why did you throw the cover of the tank down?
I wanted her to come upstairs.
Okay, you want her to come upstairs to see what is happening?
Yes.
Is it okay? You have determined to do this thing, so you are not trying to look for ways to get her killed, Abby? Or what is the purpose of you climbing the
It's because
tank
the place it is 3 steps. Let me say just 3 to 4 steps.
Okay.
It's not too high. So
When you climb and open the thing, what happened?
Then she came upstairs. She did not carry the cover of the tank. She came upstairs to come and check what was happening.
Okay. She doesn't know that you are the one there.
Yes. I hid between 2 big tanks. In between of them.
You hide there.
Yes. So immediately she came upstairs. She was looking around. When she turned to face the building, that was when I now pushed her down to the floor.
You push her from the up?
Yes.
Down to the floor.
Yes.
Okay.
So immediately I pushed her. I came downstairs. Then I collected.
When you push her, what was your intention? Why did you push her? What was your intention and the reason why you push her?
2021, she fell from there. She broke her leg. So that was why I wanted to push her. Let me see whether she will break her leg. So.
Okay, you want her leg to break?
Yes. To have fracture.
To have fracture?
Yes.
Why? What has she done wrong to you?
It was because she denied me that I'm not her biological son.
She doesn't deny you. Is it not you that went to somewhere where you said Benga?
Yes.
Told you?
Yes.
So you intend to kill her?
No, I intended to break her leg. So when I saw that she used her head to hit the floor, immediately
It was her head that she used to hit the floor.
Yes. So immediately I came downstairs. I picked her phone. I called one of her neighbors to come and see me. He now came. He saw that she's not talking. She was unconscious, somehow unconscious. So he carried her into the room. Then it called the police to come and detain me in Ajiwan police station.
That was happened.
Yes.
And that was how your mommy died.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Now that she is dead now, are you happy and comfortable now?
No. No.
Why? But you said you intend to break her.
To break her leg, yes.
Push her from upstairs down there to break her leg.
Yes.
So that she will have fracture.
Yes.
And unfortunately, she is dead now.
Yes.
Are you fulfilled now? Huh?
No.
Talk now.
No.
You said, but this is one that has been taking care of you.
Since 1 year old.
Huh?
Since 1 year old.
Since 1 year old.
Yes.
Who is your mother now?
I don't know.
Huh?
She's the one.
Huh?
She is the one.
She's your mother.
Yes.
Do you know Do you know, since Benga told you that your mommy is not your biological mother, now looking for your biological mother, have you seen one now who claimed to be your biological mother?
No.
Who is your biological father now?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know. And you said this woman that has been sponsoring you school, Abby?
Yes.
Why are you at home? Why didn't you should be in the school, Abby? Abby, you were on vacation when the thing happened.
I was not on vacation. She said her bank account has problem. So she couldn't put me in school yet.
Do you smoke?
No.
Do you drink? Which
No.
drug do you take?
I don't.
Huh?
I don't.
Whenever you run and leave home, where do you normally go?
I will start roaming up and down. Sometimes I will go to Agege and start looking for people I will be walking around. Sometimes I will go to Obawole. Sometimes I will go to my classmate's house to go and stay.
Now, what's on your mind now? What do you want now? You're the mother, the only woman that has been taking care of you, sponsoring you school, and do all she could to make you a better person in the future. You have killed her. What's on your mind now? And what do you want everybody, Nigerians, should do for you? What do you want everybody to do for you? What do you want the police to do for you now? What do you want? What's on your mind now? Are you happy now that you kill her?
No.
Huh?
No.
What do you want? Talk now. Tó ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́gbọ́ ní ṣókí ẹ má má ìdò òyìnbó mi o ẹ̀wọ̀n bá wa ṣe léèbó Yorùbá làwa mọ̀ pa ẹ̀ dáadáa ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́gbọ́ tí ọmọ yìí tó sọ tó ṣe àlàyé ẹ̀ yìí kélédùà kó dákun kó dábọ̀ kó má yan ọmọ tí ó wà padà wá dẹ́mi wá légbodò kó má yan tiwa gbẹ́ni bá sì ń wojú Ọlọ́run fún ọmọ rẹ̀ Ọlọ́run ń yọ̀ǹda ẹ̀ fún wa o kéèyàn kójú pọ́n èèyàn débi tí ó lọ gba ọmọ tọ́ kò ṣe ohun tó rọrùn kì í sì ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tí à ń gbà tọ́ náà ni wọ́n ní ìwà burúkú àbí inú burúkú báyìí gbogbo ọkọ ni wọ́n ní ṣùgbọ́n a ti ṣe é mọ̀ wípé ọmọ tí ó padà wá tọ́jú ẹni tí ó fòná tí ó padà wá sanjọ́ fún ni a ti ṣe é mọ̀ olórí àdúrà ni pé ọmọ tiwa tí ó jẹ́ àjẹmọ́nú Ọlọ́run ọba kó yọ̀ǹda fún gbogbo ẹni ń bẹ Ọlọ́run fún ọmọ ire o.